Saturday morning. Honey Picker is my wife. She does her cooking channel, Mama Booey's Kitchen, and she's also starting a storage unit video. She's going to start unboxing boxes, mostly of clothing and women's items. So I'm going to get her to come along today, hopefully, and then she can, as we get stuff out of the unit, I'm going to let her do that kind of stuff, because she's really good at it. And you guys are going to love her. She is such a wonderful woman.
Hey everybody, this is Bee from Mama Booey's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today, guys, this video is going to be different from other videos. What is happening, my husband is a truck driver, so he hasn't been home a lot. So today he called me and said, hey honey, I'll be home this weekend. So I decided to make something that we can all sit down and as a family and feast on. So guys, here I have corn. I have a video, I'll leave the link below, on a grilled corn. Here are buttermilk, biscuits, caramelized onions, roasted vegetables, and beef and sweet potatoes. So all this, I have videos that I will leave the links down below, guys. And yeah, so stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna set the table right now. They're out today with his partner. My husband is into trucking business, and also he does storage auctions.
Oh!
Hi, Daddy. I didn't know you're home.
Mommy made food. I can smell it.
We miss you.
I missed you guys too.
I'm not gonna buy that.
Irish spreadable butter.
Wow.
I'm not gonna buy that door.
Hi, kiddos.
Hi.
The only conversation they have in this house, they only talk about video games.
Irish butter. Show everybody.
Yeah.
But you're not good at.
You always make me off guard and make me trap me in the morning come back in the corner, bruh.
No. Injustice, you can't even beat the easy mode.
Sammy, would you like biscuit?
Oh, sure. Oh, Mom, this looks really nice.
Thank you,
I love
kids.
Mom's biscuits. Homemade biscuits.
The Waltons wouldn't have it with you lot.
It's having a chef in the house. Every meal we get is chef. It's like perfect. Look at this.
Look at Packy Magoo's eating this stuff.
This
Woo!
is better than anything, isn't it, Packy?
It is, really
You
is.
never thought you'd have had a chef cooking.
I just can't believe, it's amazing.
Thank you, Becky.
I never seen Angel as quiet in my life.
Thank you, honey.
All right, so guys, on the count of three, a big hip hip hooray for our viewers. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Yeah, here we go. CDL picker all the way.